Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. What's the condition of weather in your country?
How the weather condition is? Oh, it's very cold, rainy, not good. How is yours?
Same.
Is it rainy? Is it rainy?
Yeah. Now we are passing rainy season, and sometimes rainy, and we are moving winter season.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Actually, we are connected in Zoom for my YouTube channel. Maybe you know that for my YouTube viewers.
I do. That's really good that you're doing it.
Yeah. So, sir, at first I want to know about yourself.
I'm James Elanco. I'm 27 years old. I live in Germany, in Munich. I started now new dropshipping. We're selling here. Started done by Fiverr. So I applied. He applied, and I took him. And I'm really happy to have you.
Okay, thank you. Munich, that means Bayern Munich.
What? Bayern Munich?
Bayern Munich, it's a favorite football team.
Yeah, I am Bayern Munich, of course. I love it.
Okay. Excellent. I love too.
Very good. Okay. Everybody should love them.
Yeah, actually. And the Germany football team is famous in our country.
Yes, it is.
Do you think Germany football team ahead from Brazil to win World Cup winner?
Yeah, we done it very good, huh? In 2000, what was it? 2000?
2018. 2014 and four times winner.
2014 we won, yeah.
Yeah, Brazil maybe 5 times. So just one times behind. Okay, so now I want to know about your country, Germany. That's actually an excellent country and famous in our country. Maybe your president or chancellor, Angela Merkel.
What did you say?
Your chancellor, Angela Merkel, right?
Angela Merkel, yeah.
Yeah, she is excellent and famous in our country.
Yeah, she is famous. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Do you know about our country, Bangladesh?
About your country, to be honest, no. I think the main city is Dhaka.
Yeah, right. Excellent. That is our capital city.
Yeah.
And but we know about Germany all. Berlin, Bayern Munich, and there are huge famous football players. We know all of them.
That's good.
Okay, sir. Actually, you are buyer and I'm seller in Fiverr, right?
Yes.
You have hired me to do your project. Already we have done maybe 4 orders, right?
Yep, we did.
Okay. So now I want to know why you hire me as a Bangladeshi seller, or what's your evaluation about Bangladeshi seller?
Why did I hire you?
Yeah.
Okay. I was looking on Fiverr for a lot of people.
Definitely.
And a lot of people were applying to me and saying he would do this, and this. But they were like, the answers, they didn't answer quickly. So if I asked something, they answered like 4 hours later, 5 hours later, and everything. But then when I started talking to you, you always answered in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I like that. So I like always, when I write you, if I have a question, I want the answer quick. So I saw this in you, and then I saw that you know about dropshipping, Shopify, about marketing and everything. So that's why I took you.
Okay, thank you for having me.
Sure.
And what's your evaluation about my works? Do you
your regulation? Oh yeah, it's a very good choice. I'm really happy to have you. Like I always told you, you already have done a lot of work for me and good work, and I like my page. Soon we will start with marketing,
Yeah.
and then we will do money, huh?
Okay. Sometimes later we will start our marketing, and not only try, we will make it our huge benefit. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Now I want to know, how can a seller get more jobs in Fiverr?
How can get a seller more justified? Yeah. Um, they need more reviews. So if we see if we see that there are like 5 stars and that there are
Yeah.
more five, like I don't know, like over 20, 35 stars. So there's a trust, you know. So people will see, oh, he's good. People like them. They're really happy with his job. And then about your advertisement. So if you do good pictures and then where people say, okay, let's click on this seller, and then they will come on your page, and then they will check your site, and you just write them exactly what you do, and then even tell them you just don't do this. You will customize everything. I would just do everything for you, and be always respectful. You're like you are always. That's what I like on you. And yeah, those are the things which make
Okay.
good
Okay.
customers.
That means there are some reason to get more jobs in Fiverr, like your picture, your reviews, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, okay. I think it will be very beneficial for Bangladeshi seller, right?
Yes.
Uh, okay, thank you. Lars, give me your valuable time.
You're
And
welcome.
finally, please say something about my YouTube viewers.
About your YouTube?
YouTube viewers, please say something for my YouTube viewers.
He's very good.
Thank you.
He's the best. He will do everything for you. He will answer you always quickly. And it's my choice. Do my choice. Do your choice.
Thank you.